What's going on? What's going on, everyone? So, I wanted to give you guys an update on my YouTube AdSense revenue, I guess that's what it's called, right? So, I'm currently connecting my Shopify store to my YouTube. So that be another stream of income that I'll be able to get on YouTube. You guys make sure you like and subscribe to help me get the views and share. Excuse how the house looks. I am packing to move. If you guys have been following me, you know I'm on a journey to find the next perfect temporary home for me and my son. So that's what I'm working on. But let's get to what this is about. This is about how this has been going. So you guys know, let's see. So I had posted, I'm trying to see because I want to be as accurate with the date. So 12 days ago, I got, into the YouTube partner program where 1,000 subscribers, where I would start making money off of ads and stuff, okay? So that was 12 days ago. 8 days ago, I did a video explaining my YouTube ads journey so far. So I guess it's now time to give you guys an update. So, mind you, from October 31st till November 4th or 5th, I only posted one video. I was out of town. I disconnected from social media. I didn't get on. I didn't engage. I didn't do anything. So when I saw that, it really hurt. So it's crazy how people say, oh, you only need to post 2 videos a week and da-da-da. And I really think when people give that advice, it depends what type of content you have. When you're a growing channel, I feel you got to show up every day. You got to show up in the shorts. You got to show up long form. And you have to show up on live. So YouTube is a full-time job, honey, okay? It is a full-time job. It is not something that you could just post and ghost. I used to tell my clients all the time when they were building their Instagram or TikTok or anything like that, Twitter, I say you can't post and go. You got to post and engage. You got to stay on the platform. Well, YouTube, you got to show up every day. You got to post 8 to 15 minute long form, probably 2 a day. I know that sounds aggressive, but if you're really trying to grow, and it depends what type of goals you have, okay? So I will not get a check for November 21st. Which I was like, oh, because I didn't make the $100 threshold. You have to make $100 in order to be paid out. So I was getting like almost $15, $16 per 1,000 views. Me not posting, they went back down to $14. And I know some people say don't share what you're making, but I'm going to be as transparent as possible, but not too transparent because these YouTube streets be kind of crazy. But what I'm saying is because I did not post often in those little short of days, 5 to 6 days, it messed me up. Because when we look at my analytics, my overview for views, the last 28 days, I had 92,372 views. But since we're on November 7th, I have to pay attention. So I'm going to do the last 7 days. So the last 7 days, I've had 11,738 views. Because I have not been posting and I have not been going live and everything has slowed down, this is 67% less than the previous 7 days. Because like I said, I just started back posting a couple of days ago. And I noticed like, I don't know where everybody at. They're not seeing my stuff. I don't know. So I'm trying to figure it out. But that's what I noticed too. You're constantly trying to figure it out. So I've been posting more shorts to get views and stuff like that. Content. Publish. Okay. So the last 7 days, my published content, my shorts, I'm not sure what that number is. And this is these are Okay, these are viewers. So in the last 28 days, from lives, I got 373 subscribers. From shorts, I got 50 subscribers. And for videos, I got 31 subscribers. So that's why I have to go live more. They don't show you the last 7 days. So, yeah. So right now, I will get a payout December 21st. But baby, what I realized, you got to go hard, okay? You got to go hard. Do you hear me? So October was around $80-$90. So far this month, I'm doing pretty well, but I gotta just keep going and figuring it out because, oh my God. And how I make my money. Watch ads is 84%, so that's pretty good. That's how I make most of my money. Supers and gifts is 10%. Short feeds ads is 3%. Membership is like 1.8%. So what I have realized, I'm going to show up and go hard because I have goals. And for me to even make $1,400, $2,000, I really have to, when you do the math, let's do the math. I'm a numbers person. So when you look at it, 2,000 divided by 14 times 100. No, times 1,000. I have to have within the next like 20. So when you guys see this, it'll be the 8th. So in the next 22 days, I need to get 142,000 views. So when you divide that by 22, that is 6,493 views for the next 22 days. It's go time, y'all. It's go time. I set my goals for TikTok. This rest is going to be my payout for December. And I know what I have to do, and I know I have to show up. But YouTube ain't no joke. I know everyone says it's good money, which I do feel it is good money compared to TikTok. I still love TikTok Shop because it's fast money. You don't have to wait till the payout date, but I know the rewards program on TikTok is hard to get qualified views, and then they change it to where every 1,000 views, it can be 20 cents. Here you can get money for getting those views, but hell, you're gonna have to work for them coins. You are gonna have to work for those coins. Okay, so if you're thinking, oh well, YouTube is paying me $14, $10, even $7 per 1,000 views. 1,000 views, you gotta work. Work. Hey, let me work. Hey, work. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. Gotta do it, okay? You really gotta put in that work. But I'm all for it. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep pushing. I'm gonna keep posting. But I just wanted to give you guys an update of my journey. So those days that I did not show up, they kind of like hurt me a little bit. So I have to, make up for that. But I'm going hard. I saw a clip of Hulu, whether y'all like the Kardashians or don't like the Kardashians, but it was like, Kim, you're addicted to work and all you do is work. She's like, well, what else am I supposed to do? I don't, you know what I'm saying? She's like, if I get paid to go somewhere, then boom, but I don't do that. And I'm in that mindset. I'm addicted. I still spend time with my family. I still do what I have to do. I'm not recording every moment of my family. And that's why I do a lot of these type of videos. And I'm going to do more. I'm going to do more. The garden, the move, the packing, all that kind of stuff. Trust me, these next 22 days, baby, y'all finna see it all. Y'all finna see it all because December 21st, I just want to see how much work do you really have to put in to go ahead, because people say, oh, it's not really about the subscribers, because people can watch your video and not be a subscriber. So yes, it's good to have the subscribers so they can turn on their bells and everything like that, but you can really make good money by just making sure your titles are right, your thumbnails are right in the video. And I was getting lazy on thumbnails. It was just like, because I was uploading from my phone, one phone was not working. It was just a lot. So I said, okay, you're going to have to pre-record, do what you got to do. You're going to have to show up live. You're going to have to do what needs to be done. Okay. So y'all are on this journey with me, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share. Don't skip through the ads. Enjoy the ads. Start doing something else. You know, when you're watching a video like this, you can go ahead and minimize it, keep it on listening, and do something else on your phone. You know, but watch the video, okay? I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. And we are in this together. Okay? So you win, I win, we all win. Let's go. Thank y'all.